A unique afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to talk about many events. So let's get started. The first event is Mother's Day celebration. So let's watch together.
For the way that you made me free from my friends and my family. I just wanna say you're loving me from the start, from every beat of my heart.
It was a really special day. Our KG students made healthy pancakes. They used organic materials and it was yummy. It was really yummy. Our students enjoy doing artworks. Let's watch some of it. Surprise everyone! Our school will be the biggest art gallery ever. More about it next time. Thank you for listening. This is Senna.